Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through the DBT STOP Skills list. To better understand the importance of the STOP acronym in the context of a DBT STOP Skills list, it's helpful to compare it to how we behave when approaching a stop sign. Imagine approaching a stop sign while driving. The immediate action is to literally stop. This momentary pause allows us to assess the surroundings, evaluate potential risks, and decide on the appropriate action. Likewise, when using the STOP skills from the DBT STOP Skills list, start by pausing and taking a breath. This simple act of stopping allows you to step back from quick reactions and make space for more thoughtful, healthier responses. The acronym stands for STOP. Stop and take a moment to acknowledge the strong emotion or impulse you are feeling. T. Take a breath. Deep breathe, inhale deeply and exhale slowly to help calm your mind. Observe. Observe the emotion without judgment. Proceed mindfully. Choose how to respond in a thoughtful manner. Follow these steps whenever you are overwhelmed with a strong emotion. To use our free DBT STOP Skills list, follow these steps. Download our DBT STOP Skills list from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Engage your client in identifying the DBT STOP skill that best resonates with their emotional state. Collaboratively assess which technique aligns with their needs. Guide your client in applying the chosen DBT STOP skill to their present situation. Ensure they understand the skill's execution as outlined in the list, helping them redirect impulsive reactions towards thoughtful responses. Encourage your client to observe the impact of using DBT STOP skills. Facilitate discussions on how technique influenced their emotional responses, thought patterns, and behavioral choices. After practice, support your client in reflecting on the effectiveness of the skill. Discuss any adaptations needed to optimize its application based on their unique experiences. Here is a sample of our DBT STOP Skills list, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our DBT STOP Skills list, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.